we're doing an unboxing today of these Honeycomb LED lights. They're for like detailing bays, garages, whatever you want really. If you want some of these, check out the link in the bio, the description, and get some for yourself. They're relatively expensive if you go on Amazon, or if you go like Google them. Usually they're like anywhere from $7.50 to like $12.50 Canadian. So these ones much cheaper, but you can see this is the shape that we've ordered. There's a bunch of different configurations, whatever you want. You can get just 2 of them. You can get you can build them. They're modular, so you can attach them sort of however you want to make whatever shapes you want. You don't even have to make octagons, I don't think. You could probably, I could be wrong. Might be able to make something different, but here's all the pieces here. The lights are inside. They plug into each other with these things. So these connectors here, by the looks of things, just plug in and they stick together like so. So I guess maybe you do have to make honeycomb shape based on the connector style, how they're triangles. But you could probably maybe get different ones of these to just like link them together. So, there is quite a few of these. Like I say, I believe it's like 2.5 meters by 5.5 meters long, so it's quite a big rectangle. The picture that I seen in the review for these lights did not have a border around them. Now this one, you can see there's a border around here. So I'm assuming that we do get those, looks like we do get those connectors. Maybe the person that put the picture of the review did not assemble that border piece. So the sales picture did show a border, so it looks like we're getting a border, which is fantastic. Got a bunch of different things here. The wiring, this will be your main power feed for the lights, I believe. If you don't know how to do electrical, I highly recommend you get an electrician to wire it up, because AC voltage is nothing to play around with. You can start fires and obviously shock yourself. It's not fun. So comes it's pretty light package actually, and it shipped really fast. Like I ordered this like a week ago, and it went from China to Canada in like a week. I was actually really surprised how fast the shipping was. It's amazing how you can order something from China and it shows up in a week, but you order something in the country from Canada and it takes like 6 years to come. So
also, these are not UL listed, so like
use at your own risk.
Yeah, they are not if these set on fire, insurance may not cover you.
Right. Get the Sharpie marker and write UL on there. Oh yeah, bro.
Explain about the hertz and the voltage.
All right. So, well, what do we run? 50 hertz? No, we run 60 hertz.
60 hertz, 120 volt.
Right, and that's Canadian, like Canada, the
US.
United States.
Made in Mexico.
Yeah. But on the sheet here, it shows us that it's AC volts 185 to 250 at 50 hertz. But then on the link or the description, it says that it's good for 100 to 240 or something like that. So anyhow, either which way, we wired it up. The wire colors are kind of goofy on it. So you've got brown, which is going to go to your hot wire, and then blue is going to be your common.
Neutral.
Or sorry, neutral. And
no ground.
No ground. So we have wired it up. It's working. We just tested one just to make sure that everything would work with our electrical system here in Canada, which it does. It was just a little bit confusing with that sheet that came in the box. So I don't know what country runs 185 volts at 50 hertz, but we don't. Anyhow, it works. So if you want some of these, get some.